welcome to my channel. I'm Amy. Thank you for joining me today. I really appreciate it. We are here today to talk about Partners in Cream update for the month of June into July. Now, this project was created by Steph Lyons and Dylan from Outward Processing, and the main goal of this is to work on your cream and liquid products. Let's talk about in the comments below, are you someone that likes a cream blush versus a powder blush, or a cream bronzer versus a powder bronzer? I like to use this project as not just makeup, because as you will see here in a little bit, there's really not that much makeup. This for me is more of those skincare, hair care, lotiony kind of things that just sit around and collect dust. So that is what I'm here to update you on today. Let's kind of get through this really quickly. I am working on my Honest Beauty cream blush, and this is rose pink, and my goal is to finish this blush. I've kind of put this on the back burner for now, but I haven't really used it a whole lot, but I have used it some, and I even kind of like started to shove the product over a little bit to the side so that I can start to do. I really honestly think I will have this finished by the end of the year. Okay, I'm still working on my Ordinary hyaluronic acid serum. I had this mark right here for last month, and I did remember to use it, so I used it enough to where I will do a mark right there, and I'm really happy with my progress. This is one of the only things left in my finished 23 in 2023. I'm excited about that. Here I am working still on my Clinique Take the Day Off like small travel size. The last time that I showed this to you was here. I don't know if I forgot maybe to make a line. No, I think this was new the last time that I used it. So there's the line, and here we are now. I don't use this every day, but I use it kind of just as a cleanup after I've done my double cleanse. I'm also still making really good progress on my Way volume spray. The last time that I showed you this product, it was right there, and now she is a good amount. I'm really hoping to have this finished by my August update, but it may be September. And I'm really thankful that I've decided to stick with this and not abandon it in its hour of need. Okay. Now, there are two other products that I have met my goal on. One of them, I've already sent it to the recycling center. It was my Josie Marin whipped argan oil. It was like a lotion. So I'm going to replace that with this small hemp lotion. This is the fresh coconut and watermelon scent. And so my goal, and this will stay in, and I will finish this up. I like to use this kind of lotion on my feet, and then put some socks on as I'm walking around the day. That's really been helping my dry, cracked feet a lot. Okay, and the other makeup product that I had in here was my Say Slip Tint, and I had a goal to make it get down to the eye, and I did that, so, and actually kind of a little below the eye. So I'm really pleased with my progress on this, so I'm gonna roll it out, and in its place, we're gonna roll in kind of two things. I have some of these like small Laneige lip sleeping masks. This one is the mint cocoa scent or flavor, and I've already been using this, and so I want to finish this one, and then I'm gonna use the same thing, but this was not the right one. I want to do the mango one before summer, because I feel like that would be a really good scent. This is vanilla, and that will be, to me, really good for the fall. So I'm going to save this one, but sub in vanilla. So these two things will be in the project until I finish both of them. Okay, that was it. Pretty quick update. Simple. I'm making progress and reaching my goal to get some things out of my collection. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have a great day. I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Damn.